Hey guys, today I want to show you a product we have that goes right in here. It turns this kind of dead space in this compartment that's in the armrest of the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y into a storage compartment. Here's what it looks like in the box. So take it out of the box here. Comes in this little bag, and then 2 packages of tissues with it. Now the reason we ship this with 2 packs of tissue is because tissue fits really well in here, or wet wipes or something like that. Obviously you can put whatever you want inside this compartment, but tissue just seems to fit really great. So to install this, what you do is you just simply peel the tape on the 4 corners. So we'll go ahead and do that. And then once the tape is exposed, you really just kind of push it in, and then that is in there good and firm. That's not going to go anywhere. So I'll drop in the tissue then. There's one. And here's another one right here. To get a tissue out, you just open the door and retrieve a tissue. And then you're good to go. Push that guy back in there. You're good to go. And that's it. These are available in the store right now at superchargedaccessories.com. Thanks so much for watching.